So after nearly 3 years of doing YouTube, after living in my van full-time since February 2019, after posting nearly 300 videos, I'm kind of burned out. Today, I want to share with you what we're going to change to make this more interesting for you and a little bit happier for me. So big changes coming. Let me tell you about it. Scott. Welcome to Go Small, Live Large, my YouTube channel about my van life experience. Owning, traveling, living in, working from my 2019 Winnebago Travato 21-foot camper van. It's been one incredible journey that has absolutely changed my life, changed the lives of my family, some of my friends even, and hopefully some of you. And I know that's true because I hear and see and receive emails from you all the time that I'm having a positive impact by sharing my experience that helps you be an RVer, whether you're no time still researching, part-time just taking trips, or maybe even living in a van like me. But that does not come without a cost. I have been doing YouTube videos before I even had the van, which is kind of crazy to think about. So over 3 years of making YouTube videos, posting almost 300 now, and channel growth has stalled, and it's probably my fault. To some of you, I owe an apology because I've been selfish. I've been trying to put videos out there that got the clicks, got the views, and they were largely about the van, black tanks, maybe cooking. But the one thing you didn't see a lot of is, where in the heck am I going? So to those of you that have been wondering what's been up lately, I have not posted any videos in June because I was burned out. I needed a break and a reset on how I'm going to do this going forward. And this channel is on the move. Starting with Route 66, we're leaving Chicago, driving over 2,000 miles to LA, beginning in mid-July. And I am so excited. It's been on my boyhood bucket list for that entire amount of time. So this channel, the big shift is, not only are we doing van stuff, and we're doing a ton of van tours, we're taking you with me, and I'm going to try and make smaller videos, more concise about travel. It's going to be a little bit of a learning curve, so I'm going to ask your patience. I'm going to ask you to follow me. Again, if you've been interested in Route 66 at all, that's the first thing we're changing, is we're relaunching with a big travel trip, Chicago to LA. Cue up the song, please. Route 66. The second thing we're going to do is invite you to join me for portions of the trip, kind of like a caravan. So, for example, we're going to start in Pontiac, Illinois. We're going to go to Springfield, where there's a bunch of President Lincoln history, and then we're going to go to St. Louis. So if you have a van, if you have a car, you're welcome to join me. There's no obligation, there's no cost to this. You are doing this on your own dime. It's just, let's kind of go travel together. Let's go hang out. Maybe that's something I've been missing. So we're going to start doing some of these travel alongs with me and boondocking and other things like that, just to experience the whole van life and the places we're going together. And that's kind of the big thing right there. And we're going to start doing a lot more van tours, and we're going to be incorporating van builders way more, because there's some really creative van people, van builders out in the van community. That's not just the big guys. It's pretty incredible. So to those of you that have followed me for many, many months, many years, maybe even, I say thank you so much for your loyalty and your interest in what we're doing out here. And for those of you that are new to the channel, welcome. It's just a delight to have you. The reason I do this is because it's a labor of love. When I was shopping for my van, I only had licks in RV, kind of putting out some Travato specific content, but then folks like We're the Russos, Keep Your Daydream, Less Junk, More Journey, those folks were the shoulders of giants that I stood on to understand what this was about, that I could live in a van, I could work from a van, I could create a YouTube channel, I could create some income from the road. Those are all really big things for me. And I just want to share that back to you. And again, I know I'm having a positive impact on so many of you because I hear from you regularly. So that part is not going to change. To put a little exclamation point on the route plan, this is where we are currently. This is end of June in the Detroit area. This is Route 66 all the way to California. We're going up the West Coast. So this is July, mid-August. This is mid-August to September. We're going to do a channel camp out in northern Idaho, early October. October down through this way. We're going to do a Vanlife, Halloween in Las Vegas, and then we're going to take November to go across Texas. And then we're doing another camp out here in Nashville at the beginning of December, and then back to home base. So that is my route plan for the remainder of 2021, and you are coming along for the ride. I hope you're excited. I just had to get this off my chest. Many of you have been asking me what happened to the videos. We've got a whole bunch of them coming up. 1 to 2 a week is my commitment to you. Again, I'm asking you for your support by subscribing to the channel, sharing this with others that are interested in the van life and RV lifestyle. And let's see if we can hit 25,000 subscribers by the end of the year, which would be an amazing milestone. And join us at events. We call those roundups, or join me on the road for a day or two. That would be really cool. Caravan and a camp out, which I call Van Breeze. So a lot coming at you there. And again, I just thank you, each and every one of you. You bless my heart every day by just being out there, and you push me along so much. So until we see you soon, I wish you to have a great day. Thanks again, and journey on. See you soon.